Henne kasngi ka arp South Rek unailar. Kadai kasngi hakaba South Nam menchua la seng ya ka wei ni seng san pertai ka batma ya ni ka jilla ka National People's Party. Ya ka bala seng de wei ni ka san pertai na ka ni ka jilla Meghalaya. Balayau Bhagarta berlong tengru speaker jeng Lok Sabha upurno ajitok sangma. Ubarang syuklat dang sen na ka ni ka pertai haki khendiat benai balala mentakasnam. Henne kasngi ka arp South Rek unailar ka seng NPP Meghalaya State Union. Kala kanjo sa kasaus nam kanthi nadu bala seng yaka haksnam araja khatar bat sibanta jongani ka jingkanjo shagani kasnam ka pasaw kani ka seng kala pelong ru yaki program hakaleng ka jilla sibanta nagani ka jingrakhe yakani ka jingdap saus nam kani ka seng sain parthai hakani ka jilla habakran bakinong pathai ka bor ne kasngi haka office rekam jo ka NPP ka baran halachumia national president jo ka NPP belong ru MP natura parliamentary seat Konrad ke sangma ulai tho ba hakini khindiat singi balala kinoi lam jong kani ka seng kila pelong ka jingdat yok jat hakaleng kisnong ki badan hakani ka jilla ban perso the ru yakani ka seng haki district baper dang shen kani ka seng kala heru sharilum jantia bat tharu yaki block haki lightly ki than bakon thop yak amlaram block kanartiang block bat kamo ka yaw block hakani ka jingdat yok jat harilum jantia kinoi lam jong ka NPP kila yo la ru ban snap yak jing e jing pajba hakani ka than nadu ba ka National Green Tribunal kala hukum ban sangya ti do yong hakani ka jilla.
We interacted with them regarding the situation in Gente Hills as of now, the problems people are facing, the economic condition that is there, the developmental issues, different social issues that are affecting Gente Hills. So it was mainly a tour to understand and to connect and to meet people, and I think it was a very fruitful trip that we had. Apart from that, we of course had a party meeting and we formed the 3 blocks which I had mentioned to you.
Hakani ka jing kando bakinong pathai ko bor ni kasngi Konrad sangma wala pun pau perthai ru halo ka jing tko trikam jong sarkar jilla haka ba Pyllait ya ka scholarship jong isamla puli Konrad sangma wala itho ba ki khindiat singi balala haka porbu dang don hadali ulawa jing tep ru halor ka pisa na ka Sorkar Pdeng ka baide ba ka scholarship jong isamla puli jong ni ka jilla bat ka bala pelingo yu ka long ba ka Sorkar Pdeng kamju Pynslem man Pyllait ya ni ka pisa handai de ka Sorkar jilla ka baju Pynslem man penbet penbiang hakikot kisla ki bare ban pha sha ka Sorkar Pdeng.
Recently when I was in Delhi, I had gone to meet the Tribal Affairs Minister and also the Secretary of Tribal Affairs, Government of India. I was very worried about the student scholarship, why the students have not received scholarship for the past many years, almost 2 years. And when inquired, I got an information that Government of India has released all the money that is due to the state government, and there is no pending amount as of now. But Government of Meghalaya has not submitted the UCs for the amounts that have been released to Government of Meghalaya. So complete amount has been released. If I'm not wrong, I don't have the exact figures in front of me, but the amount I think close to about 30-35 crores for 2015-16 and maybe about 20-25 crores for the year before that has been released. And for 2016-17, unless Meghalaya government does not give the utilization certificates for that amount, Government of India will not be able to release the amounts for 2016-17. So I think I urge the Meghalaya government to immediately release the money to the students and submit the amount, the UCs to Government of India, so that the amount and the scholarship money for 2016-17 can also be released by Government of India. And Government of India and the Tribal Affairs Minister, Mr. Joel Oram, has assured me that there will never be any delay from the Government of India's side if the Meghalaya government submits the papers on time.
Hakani ki jingkando bakilat pathai khobor ka National People's Party Meghalaya State Union kala dawaru na ka Sorkar ban Pyllait no ya ka pisa ka baka Sorkar Pdeng kalamang na kabanta ki Autonomous District Council jong ka jilla ya ka baka Sorkar Pdeng kada Pyllait na Pynslem menta katba na kalyang ka Sorkar jilla pat kamsep pat la Pyllait ya kini ka pisa sekini ki District Council ki baha ka jilla.
As you are aware, the Meghalaya government had received a fund of almost 260 crores for as special assistance being provided to the different district councils. A total of 1,000 crores was given by the Government of India. Out of that, 260 crores was meant for the state of Meghalaya. This amount was released in the month of February 2016, and today we are in August 2016, and these funds still have not been released to the district councils.
To the district councils?
Yes, it still has not been released to the district councils. Now, the Government of India had mentioned that utilization certificates for this amount must be submitted by October 2016. Today is already August. Tomorrow, if government is not able to, or the district council and government is not able to submit, then the funds meant for this year, which is another 260 crores for the 3 district councils, we might lose this money. So therefore, I want to urge the Meghalaya government to immediately release. In fact, we demand that the government should release these funds immediately.
Kawai pat kapang kabau National President yung kaseng National People's Party ulakan tu yung Sorkar kadai halor ka jinglong jiman haka syongsok syongsan haka than East Garo Hills District. Kaba haki ni ki kindiat singi brala ki pajba ki em Pdeng jing seer na ki kampung triam yung kanhon king atiar ke Garo National Liberation Army. Halor kene nak liang ka NPP kala dawan ka Sorkar jela ban penbiang ya kila jingada ka perking kenang bagi pajba ki nyo ban em ka jing em kombolong lam haki wai pat ki benta jong ka jela.
We were also very disturbed as a party to learn about the recent unrest in East Garo Hills, where a number of villages and the villagers were, were attacked and were attacked by the terrorist underground outfits, namely the GNLA. And this was, I think, primarily done because the GNLA felt that that the villagers were giving input. I think in this regard, I had spoken to Chief Secretary and requested him that we must do everything that's possible to ensure that the trust of the people and the people feel that the administration and the government is with them. To provide enough security in these villages and ensure that the people who have been injured and who are hurt should be given immediate medical attention. At the same time, I continue to urge the state government to ensure that there is enough armed forces in that area so that people can go on with their normal life.